Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady, a channel that focuses on organization, DIYs, life hacks, a plethora of things. We also now have a playlist that features a wonderful chef who shows us how to prepare various dishes. Some of them are a little simple and some of them are very involved. So check that playlist out. We're gonna get this ball rolling and we're gonna knock it out of the park.
In this video, we will give you a brief biographical sketch of Chef Mike's humble beginnings, his exciting journey, and his current endeavors. As mentioned by Chef Mike in the initial interview, he stated that his interest in cooking started with his beloved mother. From there, Chef Mike's journey continues at the Weaver Educational Center, where his interest in culinary arts continued. From there, Chef Mike expressed that his employment continued with restaurant experience and working under various chefs. His desire to take his culinary skills to the next level took him to Guilford Technical Community College, where he enrolled and excelled in the culinary program, graduating with honors, and was headed on his journey to success.
And he's in the building. Yes. I want y'all to see this CC right here. See the initials after the name? It's official. Thumbs up, Microsoft. Yes, he did that.
Currently, Chef Mike is sharing his love for what he does with the youth and growing his business. Chef Mike takes his culinary knowledge and shares it with youth across the city, going to elementary, middle, and high schools, sharing his information about success in business and the culinary arts.
Chef Stover, how are you enjoying the career fair?
I am enjoying it. I think that it's a wonderful thing that Ms. Wyman is doing here. I think she has a really good turnout and it's very informative for the kids.
Yeah.
It looks like they're having a pretty good time here, so I'm happy to be here.
Awesome. Thank you for coming out.
You're welcome.
Also known as Big Mike, Chef Mike was featured in the Greensboro News and Records. They wanted to know the secret to his love for food, the culinary arts, and wanted to get a sneak peek of one of his recipes, and he gladly shared his secrets. Chef Mike is absolutely amazing, and he is and inspiration to all youth that want to set their goals for their future career. He's an example of it can be done.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.